For years, powerful desktop PCs have meant bulky cases, loud fans, and permanent desk space. But what if true high-end performance no longer needed a tower at all? With the new NUC 15 Pro Plus, Asus is making a strong case that the future of professional computing is smaller, smarter, and far more flexible. The Asus NUC 15 Pro Plus marks a major milestone for the NUC lineup. Now fully under Asus's control following Intel's transition, this model isn't just a continuation of a popular concept, it's a clear statement of intent. Targeted at professionals, content creators, and power users, the NUC 15 Pro Plus aims to deliver workstation-level performance in a remarkably compact form factor. At the heart of the system is Intel's Core Ultra 9 285H processor. Built on a modern chiplet design, it combines high performance with improved efficiency and integrated AI acceleration. Paired with support for fast DDR5 memory and PCIe 4.0 SSDs, the NUC 15 Pro Plus is well-equipped for demanding workloads, such as video editing, software development, and data-heavy creative tasks. Despite its small size, connectivity is anything but limited. Asus includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, multiple USB connections, and a fast 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. This makes the system highly adaptable, whether it's driving multiple high-resolution displays, connecting professional peripherals, or integrating into complex workstation setups. One of the most impressive aspects of the NUC 15 Pro Plus is its compatibility with external GPUs. In our testing, the system worked smoothly with high-end graphics cards, including the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. This transforms the mini PC into a serious platform for gaming, 3D rendering, and AI-assisted workflows, far beyond what its size would suggest. Asus also keeps practicality in mind. Access to the SSD and RAM is quick and straightforward, making upgrades or replacements easy. However, under sustained heavy load, the cooling system becomes noticeably audible. While advanced fan controls are available in the BIOS, noise is a trade-off users should be aware of. With the NUC 15 Pro Plus, Asus proves that mini PCs are no longer confined to basic office roles. Compact, powerful, and highly expandable, it stands as a compelling desktop alternative, especially for users who value performance without the footprint. For many professionals, this small powerhouse may be all the desktop they need.